Start.
Now today we are going to discuss about the diabetic cause of standard 10
Sir.
within the genetics. Diabetic cause means the cross between two plants on the basis of double pair characteristic. Double pair characteristic. So here the two plants. One plant producing the round shaped seed having yellow color and another plant producing the yellow color seed having green color. Here the R are detecting but for the round shape and YY for the yellow color. So one plant are the capital R, small r, capital Y, and for the round shaped yellow color seeded plant. And in another plant, smaller for the winkle shape and small y for the green color. Now these two plants are take part in the cross. So indicating about the parent generation or P generation. Now each plant are formed by the similar type of factor. Smaller, capital R for the round shaped and capital Y for the yellow color. And in another plant, smaller for the winkle shaped and small y for the green color. Now each plant are formed by the similar type of factor. Capital R for the round shaped, whereas the smaller for the winkle shaped, or the capital Y for the color, yellow color, and small y for the green color. This type of organism are termed as a homozygous to each other. Homozygous to each other. So the parent generation are homozygous in nature. Now we know that these organisms are take part in cross. So cross occur between two. So they will produce the gamete, and during the gamete formation, the meiosis will take place. Even according to the Pearce rule, the genes are going to be separated. So the gamete formation take place. Gamete formation. Here the capital R, one will come, and capital Y from the one Y will be come. And similarly, small r, small y, they will produce the gamete. Now, the fertilization will be take place. Resulting of fertilization between the gametes will produce the new offspring having the capital R, small r, capital Y and small y. These are the first generation which are indicating by the F1 generation. Now all the seeds of F1 generation are round shaped yellow color just because of the dominant and recessive features. Here the organisms are formed by the dissimilar factor. The capital R having the alternative form of the small r, capital Y having the alternative form of the small y. So this type of organism are termed as a heterozygous in nature. Now in heterozygous organism, one factor developing itself and another factor will remain unexpressed. The developing factor or expressing factor of heterozygous organism are termed as a dominant factor. So in case of the F1 generation of the diabetic cause, all the plant of F1 generation will produce the round shaped yellow colored seed. Here's the capital R dominant over the small r and the capital Y dominant over the small y. Now the test cross will take place between the F1 plants to get the F2 generation. The test cross F1 into F1. Now we know the value capital R, capital Y, small y into capital R, capital Y, small y. They will produce the four types of gametes. Here the R can bind with the Y and the small y. So they will produce the capital R, capital Y, capital R, small y, small r, capital Y and small r, small y. These are the four types of gamete will be produced by the F1 plants. And here will be the similar one. Capital R, capital Y, capital R, small y, small r, capital Y, small r, small y. Now place it into the checkerboard. Form a checkerboard. Here is the female gamete, here is the male gamete. Capital R, capital Y, capital R, small y, small r, capital Y, and small r, small y. Similarly, we have to write here. These are the checkerboard. Now, here capital R, capital Y, capital R, small y, capital R, small r, capital Y, small r, small y. Now, first, this capital R, this gamete are going to fertilize with this, forming the capital R, capital Y, capital Y. These are the pure round shaped yellow color. Round shaped yellow color. But these are the homozygous in nature. Now these gamete fertilize this. Capital R, capital Y, small y. Here the one small y is present. These are capital R for the round shaped, and capital Y is dominant over the small y. Due to this, they will be produce the yellow colored seed. Now these are going to fertilize with this, producing the capital R, capital Y, small y. These are the round shaped. Capital R will be dominant over the small y. The round shaped yellow color. And the last one, capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. So capital R will be dominant over the small r, and capital Y will be dominant over the small y. So producing the round shaped yellow colored seed. Next one, these gametes going to fertilize with those four gametes. Capital R, resulting the capital R, and capital Y, small y. So R for the round shape and capital Y for the yellow color. Now next, these are capital R, small r, small y. Here we get an specific type of seed which having the R for the round shape and y for the small y for the green color. These are the round shaped, they will produce the round shaped green color seed. Now the next one, capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. There will be the round shaped yellow color seeded plant. Now these are also fertilized with that. Capital R, small y. These are also the capital R for the round shape, small y for the green color seeded plant. First we will observe the variation one. Now third one, these are going to fertilize with that, producing the capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. So they will be the round shaped yellow colored plant. Now these are going to fertilize with that. capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. Round shaped, yellow color. These are going to fertilize with that. Small r, capital Y, capital Y. Smaller for the winkle shape. Winkle shape. And small capital Y for the yellow color. These are the another type of variation. Now next, these are going to fertilize with that. Here, smaller, capital Y, small y. These are also will be the winkle shaped yellow color. Smaller for the winkle shaped. Winkle shaped yellow color. This is another type of variation. Now next, this gamete fertilized with this, resulting the capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. So they will be the round shaped, capital R dominant over the small r and capital Y dominant over the small y. Round shaped yellow color seeded plant. These are going to fertilize with that. Capital R, small y, small y. These are going to fertilize with that. They will produce the round shaped green color. Round shaped green color seed. This is another one. The next one will be capital smaller, capital Y, small y. They will be the winkle shaped yellow color. And the last one, small y, small y. Winkle green. So by judging this one, we can get the phenotype. The phenotype will be phenotype means the external features. Phenotype ratio. Here we can get the 9 round shaped yellow color seed is to 3 round green is to 3 winkle shaped yellow color seed and 1 winkle green, 1 WG circle here. Now the phenotype ratio will be the 9:3:1. These are the diabetic cause. And the conclusion, by judging this checkerboard, we can get another rule that known as a law of independent adjustment.